Advanced English. Replacement of friendly word. Warm-hearted. Used to depict individuals who possess a genuine and sincere concern for the well-being of others. She is a warm-hearted individual who always goes out of her way to help others. She is a warm-hearted individual who always goes out of her way to help others. The warm-hearted couple always opens their home to those in need. The warm-hearted couple always opens their home to those in need. Their warm-hearted hospitality made the guests feel like part of the family. Their warm-hearted hospitality made the guests feel like part of the family. Her warm-hearted words of encouragement gave me the confidence to pursue my dreams. Her warm-hearted words of encouragement gave me the confidence to pursue my dreams. Amiable. It is used to describe someone who is friendly, pleasant, and easy to have a good relationship with. The amiable puppy wagged its tail happily. The amiable puppy wagged its tail happily. My amiable neighbor always waves hello. My amiable neighbor always waves hello. The amiable classmate helps me with my homework. The amiable classmate helps me with my homework. The amiable receptionist welcomed us to the hotel. The amiable receptionist welcomed us to the hotel. The amiable tour guide showed us around the city. The amiable tour guide showed us around the city. Approachable. It is a positive trait that can make people feel comfortable and at ease in social situations. I'm lucky to have such an approachable boss. I'm lucky to have such an approachable boss. The supervisor is quite approachable, so don't hesitate to bring up any problems you have. The supervisor is quite approachable, so don't hesitate to bring up any problems you have. The teacher is very likable and approachable. The teacher is very likable and approachable. I found the local authorities very approachable. I found the local authorities very approachable. We found him very approachable and easy to talk with. We found him very approachable and easy to talk with. Sociable. Describes someone who is friendly and enjoys the company of others. He was a sociable guy who loved company and working with people. He was a sociable guy who loved company and working with people. He was a quiet yet sociable man, with a kind heart. He was a quiet yet sociable man, with a kind heart. My mother was extremely sociable. My mother was extremely sociable. The family was sociable and regularly entertained family and friends. The family was sociable and regularly entertained family and friends. They are sociable people who enjoy having parties. They are sociable people who enjoy having parties. Gregarious. A person who enjoys being in crowds. She was a popular and gregarious child. She was a popular and gregarious child. These animals are highly gregarious. These animals are highly gregarious. The gregarious turtle swam with its friends. The gregarious turtle swam with its friends. My friend is very gregarious and loves to talk to everyone. My friend is very gregarious and loves to talk to everyone. Affable. The quality of being friendly and easy to talk to. My teacher has an affable personality. My teacher has an affable personality. The host was affable with all of his guests. The host was affable with all of his guests. The affable coach was loved by all his players. The affable coach was loved by all his players. The restaurant's manager was an affable person. The restaurant's manager was an affable person. Genial. Cheerful, easygoing, and warm in manner or behavior. He tries to be genial with his siblings. He tries to be genial with his siblings. The genial breeze cooled us off on a hot day. The genial breeze cooled us off on a hot day. The genial volunteer helped clean up the park. The genial volunteer helped clean up the park. The genial hotel staff made our stay enjoyable. The genial hotel staff made our stay enjoyable.
To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.